If taking a once-in-a-lifetime trip to as many world-class destinations that exist on this planet is on your bucket list for 2023, then there are a plethora of luxury cruise lines ready to indulge your every whim while transporting you to lavish comfort to and from some of the world's most captivating locations. Why spend your holiday on your own when a butler could bring you breakfast in bed? Here are the 5 cruise lines to add to that bucket list to make your fantasy become a memorable reality. Ahoy, sailor, get ready. It'll be an interesting ride. Norwegian Cruise Line, best for entertainment. On Norwegian ships, every performance, whether music, comedy, drama, or dance, has its unique allure. There are many chances to socialize with other passengers while the entertainment is playing. You may start the cruise single, but your status might change before the voyage ends. For people who are cruising alone, most sailings feature singles meetup, freestyle dining, and continuous free-at-sea promos, which let travelers book cruises with open bar, Wi-Fi, excursions, and specialty meals included in one all-inclusive ticket, are 2 other major highlights of Norwegian sailings. Their fleet of 17 ships is sizable, but not overwhelming. The newest ship, one of which is the Norwegian Prima, have passenger capacities that range from about 2,000 to slightly over 4,000. The Norwegian Cruise Line also operates the Norwegian Prima, a ship in the Prima class. She was commissioned in August and is the first of 6 new ships in her class. On its largest ship, the Norwegian Cruise Line also provides top-tier deck amenities for you to enjoy while swaying and tapping your feet to Latin music, such as slides, spray parks, and even go-kart courses. What's more, NCL ships allow passengers to travel to more parts of the world, including the Antarctic, on select schedules. The Bahamas, the Caribbean, and Mexico are among its key destinations and is the only cruise line that can visit the Hawaiian Islands without stopping at a foreign port. It also offers a robust Alaskan schedule. Disney Cruise Line, best for family. You must have considered a Disney cruise if you have children and are interested in traveling by sea. Taking a cruise via Disney Cruise Lines can allow you and your family to experience the enchantment of Disney. The cruise experience is a healthy blend of entertainment and hospitality, so anticipate receiving the same level of care on board as you would in a Disney park or resort at every turn. Disney Cruise Line is unquestionably the best cruise line for families, and like Disney's land-based attractions, there are activities for both children and adults to enjoy. The ships have a quirky grace to their design. The staterooms contain divided bathrooms with tubs and room divider curtains, and they are slightly larger than average across all categories. Cruising with children is made much easier and much more pleasurable when they are entertained with the kid-friendly facilities on board. Compared to low-cost cruise lines, Disney cruises are pricey. However, several amenities you would normally have to pay extra for on those other cruise lines are included while traveling on a Disney cruise line. Also, they make it simple for passengers to plan a combination theme park and cruise holiday by cramming a lot into a quick 3 or 4 night trip from Florida. The length of Disney cruises ranges from 3 to 14 nights, making the longer voyages the best choice for those who wish to experience more of the world in a Disney-style setting. Virgin Voyages, best value for money. If you've ever believed that cruising is stuffy or out of date, Virgin Voyages is here to dispel that notion. Virgin Cruises is, without a doubt, the most distinctive cruise line among the rest. From the way the ships look to the onboard experience to its fares, the cruise line operates significantly differently from other lines. Making bookings with Viking Ocean Cruises is the greatest option for couples looking for the best cruise lines for romantic journeys. Couples will find Viking's smaller ships, private verandas, and Nordic-inspired spas to be a romantic choice. The destination-focused itineraries and activities also offer great chances for couples on board the ship to get closer. The cruise line employs a strategy to appeal to younger cruise travelers. No children are permitted. It is an adults-only venue, which is why Virgin Voyages are the best option on this list for adults-only vacations. They also frequently run offers and promotions such as 50% off the cost of a second sailor and no single supplements for sailors traveling alone. Passengers find it simple to live a high life while taking advantage of everything the ship offers, thanks to the smaller, more intimate ship, well-appointed facilities, and distinctive activities. Due to the attention they give to each port, Viking Ocean Cruises is also regarded as the best Mediterranean cruise line. Viking goes above and beyond to highlight the local cultures and provide engaging shore excursions in each port. enabling guests to fully take in everything the Mediterranean has to offer. Virgin Voyages aim to establish itself as the world's most alluring travel company. Celebrity Cruise Line, best for fine dining. Looking for a cruise to allow you to clink your lover's glass with yours after you make a toast? Or promise of unflinching love with sunshine as your only witness? Or for singles, a cruise to let you take a short sip of your favorite tropical drink on the sea? Well, Celebrity Cruise Line is the best choice if you're seeking distinctive dining selections and sophisticated decor at an affordable price. Celebrity Cruises is highly praised by both guests and industry professionals for its upscale design and creative food offerings. If you're going alone or with friends, this cruise line may be an excellent choice, according to Forbes. Celebrity Cruises is a popular cruise line among travelers for various reasons, especially those seeking luxury and substance without breaking the bank. The 7-day trip of Italy, France, and Spain aboard the Celebrity Edge is one of their best cruises if you have your sights set on Europe. We'd be remiss if we failed to mention Cuisine, the amazing small plate specialty restaurant on the Celebrity, which features sushi lollipops, puzzle box desserts, iPad menus, and a real grass lawn club grill, where visitors may sear their own steak in a park-like outdoor setting to appeal to foodies who enjoy getting their hands dirty. There is no room for monotony in Celebrity Cruises menus. Beyond sipping tropical drinks and swaying in rhythm to nature's harmonious melody, the Celebrity Cruise Ship will also let you enjoy an amazing journey while taking in unforgettable sights and sensations. Real grassy areas and internationally recognized art collections are found in their floating cities, which also offers cutting-edge culinary alternatives, educational opportunities, and entertaining activities like water volleyball with ship staff. Royal Caribbean, most promising. In terms of income and passenger volume, Royal Caribbean International, based in Miami, Florida, is the second largest cruise line. Aside from having one of the newest and most cutting-edge fleets in the business, Royal Caribbean Cruises also includes some of the most distinctive amenities available from any cruise line, including the already well-known observation pod. The cruise ship Icon of the Sea, which is currently being built by the Royal Caribbean International, will serve as the flagship of the Icon class. She will have a gross tonnage of 250,000 when she enters service in the 2024, making her the largest cruise ship in the world by gross tonnage and the cruise line's first new vessel class since 2014. As a new kind of cruise ship, it will have a ton of new amenities like a water park, family-friendly space, updated pool decks, and much more. We already know that the Icon of the Seas will be more than 6% larger than Wonders of the Sea and have a capacity of 7,600 passengers. Despite the fact that Royal Caribbean has not yet made all the ship's details public, one cruise ship to look forward to is this one. Family vacations are going to undergo a permanent shift because of the new Icon of the Seas, which offers an entirely new kind of excitement. Watch out. When you consider traveling the world by sea, it appears to have no limits. It's simple to daydream about sailing to exotic ports of call and visiting far-off locations, or staying close to home to discover unappreciated jewels in your own country, thanks to the enormous 7 seas and the innumerable inner canals across the world. With that, we have pinpointed the 5 best cruise lines you can add to your bucket list and hop on this year. For more cruise news, you can visit Life Well Cruised, a website that is dedicated to cruising and travel. Remember, there's always a ship to take you wherever you want to go. Which is your favorite among our top picks? Share your experience with us in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel recommendations. Travel Guide channel makes your travel easy.